Hey you guys, what's going on? My name is Shaquan and I am here to show you guys my 15-minute trading day. Y'all, we need to talk. So if you don't know, my name is Shaquan and I'm the trading educator here at SLFX Trading, and what I do is I teach people how to have 15-minute trading days by swing trading. So I am a firm believer in trading not having to be this long, strenuous, tedious process that you have to do when you know your trading schedule. So let me talk a little bit about my trading schedule. I literally trade from 4:45 p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the latest I go to is probably 5:05 or 5:10, depending on how many pairs that I have to look at in my watch list. So I talked about a watch list on Sunday, actually yesterday, when I released my video on the currency pairs that I'm looking at for this week. And if you have not watched that video, I will link it down in the description below, or a card somewhere up top so you guys can watch that video. So right now it is currently 4:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which means we have less than 9 minutes until the daily time frame closes. Now, why am I mentioning that? Because I only enter on closing candles. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and let's look at some currency pairs that I'm looking to trade soon. So EURUSD is one of these currency pairs here. This is one that I went over with in the Swing Trading Society. At this moment, it doesn't have anything that it's giving me. But with the bullish momentum, and I did go over that with the students, I said, hey, if you're my 4-hour traders, looking at these wicks here, 1 wick, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, if price can stay below that 4-hour lower high, then yes, price can potentially continue to push down, and then we can maybe keep looking for sales. However, if price pushes up, and I did let them know that I am only looking at it on the daily time frame because I'm looking for a deep pullback. If price gives me a pullback, I'm looking for her to come into this zone here. So maybe if we get some continued movement on tomorrow's Wednesday, so on Wednesday, if we get to some continuous movement, I'm thinking by Thursday or Friday, this may actually give me a trading opportunity. So this is on my radar. Okay, so this is one of the ones that I am looking at. When it comes to trading, you don't always have to look at pairs that's ready to move at that current time, especially being a swing trader. Sometimes you just got to wait for price to come to you. This is me letting money come to me. I'm not chasing it. I'm not trying to be in every trade. I'm not trying to trade candle by candle. I'm trading the story right now. Okay, and the story is, this is my lower low. I'm looking for a lower high to be made so I can sell. That's it. Okay, so the next currency pair we're going to take a look at is actually the opposite of EURUSD, which is USD Swiss. EURUSD and USD Swiss correlate negatively, and this is one of the currency pairs that me and the Swing Trading Society look at every single week. As a matter of fact, these are the first two currency pairs that we look at because they correlate oppositely, which means they move negatively of one another. So dealing with this pair is always opposite of EURUSD, so it's kind of the same thing. While I'm waiting for price to push up on EURUSD, I'm waiting for price to push down on USD Swiss. So maybe if we get some more momentum here on USD Swiss, then, you know, we can see that momentum push to the upside potentially because we have a higher high. This is my higher low, and I'm thinking somewhere within these vicinities that we will get a new higher low and then continue to the upside. So that's USD Swiss. This is to come. This is the future, but I have a currency pair for now, which is going to be pound New Zealand dollar. Now, some of my zones are based on the weekly and then the monthly time frame, but I have two zones based on the monthly and the daily time frame correlating together. Before I get asked, this is not support and resistance. I do not trade support and resistance, you guys, okay? I am trading based on supply and demand. So based on my supply and demand right here, you guys, price is in a supply zone for me. And I have a little triangle here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's yet to alert me, but it's in the vicinity of where I wanted price to come back up to at 1.97500. And this is how this trade is going to look for me. So depending on how this candle closes, we have rejection candle. This could be the confirmation candle. This could be the candle telling me we need to trade to the downside. Okay, if you watched my video yesterday, I talked about pound AUD dropping about 1,500 pips in total, and then this is one I'm thinking can drop as well too. It can influence with pound AUD. Do those two pairs correlate? I don't think pound AUD and pound New Zealand dollar correlate, especially if I had to give a percentage. I wouldn't even say 90 or 100% of the time. I wouldn't even say 80, but they do have a lot of good correlations within them. So I'm only selling this because this one is telling me that it could possibly be ready. And so rejection, confirmation spending top if that's how it's going to close in the next 5 minutes. And if it does my targets, I don't think I could trade a 1-to-1 back to the zero, only based on how I set my take profit. So I'm sorry, not my take profit, but my stop loss. So I may have to trade this down to the -27, which is fine. It'll be a continued trade. So if price closes here, this will be about a 700, I would say plus 750 pip winner or plus 775 pip winner, because I don't know how price is going to close today. So this will be a really good trade going alongside with the trades I am already in now, because I'm already holding a Euro USD sale still from a couple weeks ago. I'm in pound USD to the downside. I'm in pound USD to the downside. I'm in Euro Swiss to the upside, and that's covered in profit, and I'm in Swiss yen to the upside as well. So I'm just holding a few swing trades for now. I am not day trading them. I am not scalping them. I am holding these positions, and I will be holding this position as well too. So you guys, these are the 3 pairs that I have on my radar today. 2 that could potentially happen in a couple days. Who knows? 1 that could happen right now in the next 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Who knows? I am not by any means telling you guys to enter into these trades too. I am telling you what I see. Now, if you happen to trade these pairs and you're like, oh my gosh, I see the same thing, by all means, make your money. Not here to stop a money train. If these are pairs that you are training on and you're learning, put these in your demo account, right? But do whatever you're going to do. Just have proper risk management, which means pre-market analysis. Doing that now. When you're in the trade, how you manage the trade when you're in it. You have to manage your position once you enter. And then when you're out of the trade, how well did you do? Review the trade, recap the trade. Risk management consists of so much besides a lot size. And for me personally, I don't really deal with lot sizes, so that's a whole nother training. But anyway, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you found value and would like for me to keep doing these videos on Tuesdays, looking at my 15-minute trading days, you guys go ahead and give it a thumbs up or comment down below what you like and what you would like to see more of. So you guys make sure you subscribe to the video, and I will talk to you all later. Y'all be blessed.